In the previous video, we had find out the formula to find the angle between the two lines if the slope of the lines are given, and the formula we have got, if theta is the angle between the two lines, then tan of the angle between two lines will be equal with plus minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 times m2. All right. Sometime we generally take modulus value also, m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Both are the same thing actually, plus and minus, because whenever there are two lines, then there are two possible angle. One may be acute angle, all right, this may be acute, or maybe another obtuse. So that's why we need to take plus and minus. Plus generally gives us acute angle and minus generally gives us obtuse angle. All right, this is the formula. And now the question is here, the angle between them. All right, so theta we have got, angle between them is 45 degree. All right, and the one line has slope half. So first line slope m1 is given, that is 1 by 2. And what is the slope of the another line? So what is the value of m2 that we need to find out? So if we use this into this given information in this formula, then what we'll get, tan 45 degree is equal with plus minus m1 is your 1 by 2 minus m2. all right, so m2 I'm writing just like m2 divided by 1 plus m1 is again 1 by 2 and it is m2. And now tan 45 is actually 1, so it's going to be plus minus, and this 1 minus 2m2 divided by 2, and then whole divided by this, again this 2 will multiply this 1, so it will be 2 plus m2 divided by 2. And now here you can cancel this 2 and this 2 cancel, so it will be 1 equals to plus minus 1 minus 2m2 divided by 2 plus m2. Now there are two values. When one we can take when it is positive. When positive we'll take, what will happen, 1 will be equal with 1 minus 2m2 divided by 2 plus m2. And when we will take negative, that time it will be 1 is equal with minus 1 minus 2m2 divided by 2 plus m2. So let's solve and let's get the value. So now this 1 will multiply by this denominator, so we'll be getting 2 plus m2 equals to 1 minus 2m2. And here if you see, it will be 2 plus m2 equals to minus 1. This minus 1 will multiply this one also and this one also, and we'll get 2m2. Further let's solve. Now here this is m2, all right, and this m2 let me put another side, so it will be minus 2m2 minus m2, and this is 2, this is 1. When it will go this side, it will be minus 1 and this 2 as it is. So we're getting here 1 equals to minus 3m2. all right, and here we are getting this 2m2. all right, this m2 I'm taking this side and minus 1 I'm taking this side, so it will be 2 and this minus 1 will be plus 1, and this was 2m2 and this m2 will get reduced minus, so here you are getting 3 equals to m2. And from here what you can write, m2 is equal with 1 over minus 3, that's actually 1 over minus 3, and here you are getting m2 equals to 3. So our second slope is either 3 or minus 1 by 3. all right, so the slope of the another line is either minus 1 by 3 or 3. This is how we need to find out the unknown slope